took a minute.
Greetings, YouTube. I like nothing back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel here at Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. And YouTube, this is indeed what the current weather looks like here in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, indeed, we are under another thunderstorm here, white violent thunderstorm, YouTube, high wind, tons of rain currently pouring down here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel here at Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. Despite the current weather here, despite the current weather, we want to bring you guys along with us as we up-pot our avocado tree seedling to a slightly larger pot. If you recall from our full garden tour video, this is what our avocado tree seedling looked like during our full garden tour video. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Isn't it looking good, YouTube? We purchased an avocado from our local market here in Tifton, Georgia about a month ago. We consumed that avocado, saved the seed, washed it. I planted it here in this pot about 1.5 inches below the soil. I kept the soil moist. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what our avocado tree seedling currently looks like right here, right now, Grow Zone 8B here in Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you see, YouTube? Can you guys see that indeed our avocado tree seedling has grown 5 entire inches in just the past 5 days? In our full garden tour video, our avocado tree seedling stood at a height of 5 inches tall. And right now, YouTube, right now, just 5 days later, here on May 22nd, our avocado tree seedling, you guys see that, currently stands at a height of about 10 inches tall. Not only that, YouTube, not only that, in just the past 30 days, since we planted our seed here in this pot, the tap root, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, right there, that round tap root in the center of the pot. The tap root, this particular seedling, has indeed reached the bottom of the pot. And that's the reason, YouTube, that's the reason today that we are out here, despite the weather, on our front porch, about to up-pot our avocado tree seedling to a slightly larger pot. This is the pot that it currently resides in, YouTube. And this slightly larger pot is the pot that we're about to up-pot it to. We will indeed be out here again in about another month, transplanting this avocado tree seedling from this pot to a slightly larger pot. We wanted to do that, YouTube, in order to give our avocado tree seedling the best chance of forming a viable and sustainable root system before we planted it out into our front yard garden extended grow area. And as you can see, YouTube, as you can see, this pot fits inside this pot. The only major difference between these two pots is the diameter of the pot. We're going to fill the bottom of this pot with our garden soil. We're going to sit this pot in there and press that soil down. We're going to fill this pot, around this pot, with garden soil and pack it in well. Remove this pot, and then our avocado tree seedling should fit perfectly inside the hole that's left when we remove this pot from this pot after filling around it with our garden soil. We're going to do that right now. I'm going to show you what the bottom of this pot looks like after we get our garden soil in it, and then show you what this pot looks like after we get it filled around this pot with our garden soil. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, as you can see, we have the bottom of our pot filled with our mixture of garden soil here. This is going to take our avocado tree seedling pot, Put it in the center of this pot, as you see here. Press it down firmly. And now what we're going to do, YouTube, is continue to fill this pot with our garden soil. See, it's going around the outside of this pot with our garden soil. I currently allowed this. I purposely allowed this garden soil to dry out prior to up potting, so that it wouldn't clump. I was trying to fill this pot. Again, I'm just going around the outer diameter of the pot in the center and filling it with garden soil. This will indeed form a mold for our avocado tree seedlings to fit in once we remove this pot from our up pot. Very simple process. Pack that soil in well as we go around. Excuse my shoddy camera work, YouTube. Of course, I am the only one out here in this storm, crazy enough to be out here up potting an avocado tree seedling. There's thunder and lightning bolts all around me out here. As you can see, YouTube, I'm simply packing this soil in well around the pot in the center. And what that should do is leave a perfectly sized hole for our avocado tree seedling and the soil in this pot to fit in. For our avocado tree seedling and the soil in this pot to fit in once we're done filling our pot. We added about 3 inches of garden soil to the bottom of this pot before we begin to fill it. It's a very, very simple, again, very, very simple process to do this. It takes all of the guesswork out of up potting. If you do it this way, you know exactly what size hole, what depth hole, etc. will be left by the pot in the center. And again, it really makes things easy, YouTube. Since indeed this soil is very dry that I'm adding to the larger pot, I will wet this down a little bit using a little bit of that rainwater that's out there currently falling. That's hail, YouTube. Look at that. We actually have hail falling out here. Wow. This is my first time here in Tifton Garden Center seeing hail. And we know that means that our crop may suffer damage from this falling hail. Wow. I really hope this hail stops falling swiftly when we do. Our plants are indeed in a lot of damage. See that these that's hail falling. This falling hard. Wow. Never seen hail fall. And this is not here. It is on the water. Our plants are indeed taking a beating out there. You guys see that? Wow. All y'all are looking to feel the hailstone at this point. Truly hope this hail stops falling swiftly. really putting beating on our plants up there. You guys see that? Wow. That's a bad storm, you see. This is really bad. See all that ice out there. You can see this all. Dropping in our plants are being ripped off. Hopefully we won't suffer too much damage to our edible crops out there in our yard. But indeed, this is truly a bad hailstorm here at the Green Thumb Garden Center. Look at this, guys. We got this kind of hailstorm currently falling here at the Green Thumb Garden Center. But y'all see that? About dime size, that marble size hailstone currently falling. And it is indeed still falling. Our yard is almost white out there, you see. All up here like this. Really hope this hail stops falling soon. Anyway, YouTube, back to our transplant video. We have our soil packed in to the well around the current pot and our avocado tree seedlings resides in. Hail is falling all around me up here on my front porch. But indeed, we're still going to get this video done, YouTube. I have a bottle of water here. I'm just going to take this bottle and go around the edges. Wet this soil down a little bit. Let it soak in. And thank God the hail is actually beginning to subside here, YouTube. Thank God. It's still falling, but not at the rate it was just a few minutes ago. Alright, guys. Let's get this water through its stream here. Again, our garden soil was bone dry. It's not going to absorb this water rapidly at all here. But we're going to give it a little help here with our fingers. Get that water down in that soil. We're going to remove our pot from the center, as I stated earlier in this video. Once we do that, we have to have a perfect mold for our avocado tree seedling and its current soil to fit down in. Hang tight, YouTube. I'll bring you guys back in a few minutes once this water soaks in and show you exactly what things look like once I remove the pot from our oil pot. Hang tight. And there you have it, YouTube. A virtually perfect mold left for us to remove our avocado tree seedling from its soil from its current pot and transplant it here to this pot. We're going to do that right here, right now. I'm going to try to bring you guys along with us for that. If I can get a good angle on this camera. Probably won't be able to from where I am here, but I'm going to try that anyway, YouTube. Alright. Hope I got you guys in the frame here as I do this. I'm going to take our avocado tree seedling, turn it over in my hand. Hopefully its dirt will hold together here for me. Flip it over and get it into its new home. Simple as that. Hope you guys caught that. I did, of course, spill a little dirt during the transplant process here. But I do indeed think that our avocado tree seedling will be happy here in its new home for at least the next 30 to 40 days here. Now that our transplant is complete, YouTube, I'm simply going to take our avocado tree seedling, sit it out there in that rain, now that the hail has stopped falling, and let the good Lord rain His glory down upon our avocado tree seedling. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you are currently watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Our up-potted 10-inch tall avocado tree seedling. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah. It took a minute. It took a minute. It took a minute for all my enemies to get it. It took a minute. It took a minute. It took a minute for all my enemies to get it. It took a minute for all my enemies to get it. A lion unleashed ain't got no competition. And if you test me, best believe that I'ma hit you. Green dots and I ain't never gonna miss you. Like Leonardo watches lion paint a perfect picture. Have you reflecting talking to the man in the mirror? And it's a shame why this lion's out here chasing fame. So many haters out there trying to take this lion's name. Open up your third eye, look into your mind. Stay in your own lane, my only limit is the sky. I'm in your hood, rolling solo, kept me passing by. Another faking hater, I can see it in your eyes. I'm on a mission, get this paper, call me paper chaser. Ain't never gonna run, this lion's gonna turn and face you. Come near me, disappear, and they gon' call me the eraser. Test my lady, she gon' rip you like an alligator. I'm always solo when you see me on my city streets. When it's down, cause all them jackals know I'm packing heat. Music loud, smoking head, bobbing to the beat. This song goes out to all my haters and my enemies. If you was asking about me, I'm up on the ceiling. If you was looking for some dope, I'm not a dealer. But when it comes to dope lyrics, I can spit it. It took a minute for all my enemies to get it. It took a minute. It took a minute. It took a minute for all my enemies to get it. It took a minute. It took a minute. It took a minute for all my enemies to get it. I don't know why y'all out there hating.